Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, today we got an awesome watch face to check out by the Win Group. The watch face is called Honeycomb Classic DGT Sport. Definitely a nice look for a casual watch face, whether it's for the weekend or the work week. Now, in the AOD mode, you're pretty much going to get the same thing, same look. You'll be able to see your digital time at a glance with no problem. Now, once it's on, I do like this honeycomb look to it, and you will get the best of both worlds, both analog and digital. But your digital time is going to be in 24 hours, but considering that you got a 12-hour clock, you should be all good. Up at the top, you will get your heart rate information, steps, you get the date. You come down, you get the day of the week along with calories burned, miles walked or ran, and floors climbed. So all your step status info is going to be to the left. The honeycomb theme, which looks really nice, is going to be to the right. You got shortcuts blended into this thing, which I thought was nice. So if I tap right here, I can go into my phone dialer, check out my contacts. Here, I can go into my messages, send a text. If I tap right here what the date is, I can go in and go into my recents, which I thought was a good look as well. Now, if I double tap right here, I can change the color theme of the honeycomb, which I thought was pretty nice. Not bad at all. And if I double tap over here, well, single tap, I can go through the different things that's on this side, pretty much blackened out a little bit. But at the same time, if I tap here, I can go into my heart rate information. If I need to go into my step status info and get more info, here I am right here. All right, you all, hit me in the comment section down below. I would love to know your thoughts on this watch face. And if you enjoyed the video, please make sure you hit the like button on the way out. And if you want to see more videos like this, then by all means, make sure you subscribe to the channel. And I'll see you all again at the next video. Take care.